Good morning, everyone. Today we are working on page 24 in the packet. We're just going to do page 24. We are going to work on solving systems of linear equations using substitution. So last week we were focused on linear equations, and systems of linear equations is just more than one equation. To solve these using substitution, you are going to solve one of your equations for one of the variables and plug it into one of the other equations. I'll show you how to do that. We're going to go over number 3, and then the rest of the page 1 through 7 is your assignment for the day. So if we look at number 3, we have a system of linear equations, x plus y equals 5, and 6x plus 3y equals 27. The first thing that we need to do is solve either one of the equations for either x or y. So I'm going to solve the first equation, x plus y equals 5, for x. And to solve that equation for x, I'm just going to solve it like I do a normal equation. I'm going to isolate x, have x on the left, everything else on the right. So this is plus y. I'm just going to subtract y on both sides. On the left I have x equals, on the right I have 5 minus y. Now I know what x is. X is 5 minus y. I'm going to plug that into the second equation every time I see x. Every time I see x, I'm going to replace it with 5 minus y. So we're going to plug that in right here. It's the only place that I see x. Rewrite that equation. Every time you see x, plug in 5 minus y. So we have 6, parentheses 5 minus y, plus 3y equals 27. And this right here, we're going to have to use the distributive property. So now we have a multi-step equation with one variable. We're going to solve for y. Start with the distributive property. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times negative y is negative 6y, plus 3y equals 27. Combine like terms, I have negative 6y plus 3y. 30, negative 6y plus 3y is negative 3y equals 27. Move 30 to the other side, subtract 30 on both sides. 27 minus 30 is negative 3. Negative 3 equals negative 3y. Divide both sides by negative 3. Y equals negative 3 divided by negative 3, and negative divided by negative gives you a positive. Y is 1. We are not done yet. We are going to write our solution as an ordered pair, x, comma, y. So we know our y value, now we need our x value. You can plug it back into the first equation, to the second equation, or this one that we solved for. So I'm going to plug that in right here. So x equals 5 minus y, and y is 1. X equals 5 minus 1, x equals 4. And finally, write your solution as an ordered pair. So I'm going to up the solution right here. Here. X, which is 4, y, which is 1. So your solution to the system of linear equations is 4, 1. Your x value is 4, your y value is 1. The rest of this page is your assignments. Thank you.